Okay, everyone, how you doing today? My name is Eric, and I'm going to be the instructor for K Business Academy. I wanted to go over the software and the courses that we're going to be offering, and kind of give you an idea of what's going on. So, for many people, trying to make money online can be a struggle. They don't know where to start, who to trust, or what to do to get started. So, this is why we or I developed the K Business Academy. And what this is going to be a community, school, bunch of courses, tools, and resources that I've used to make money online and to help you with your businesses. So it's not a get rich quick. It's not a one course buy it and hope to make money. This is actually going to be a community of people that are looking to make money online, that need help, want a be able to get answers to questions they may have, and work with someone who has a lot of knowledge about making money online, has access to tools and such. So this is why I developed the K Business Academy, and I'm going to kind of go through it step by step, kind of give you an idea of what we're doing. So I coded this software myself. I'm still developing the software. It's always going to be in development. So we're going to be adding new features, new courses, new goodies. So it's not going to be a static thing. And as we get more members and as we go into developing this more, you're going to help build it and make it something that can work. So basically, I'll have courses, we'll have libraries, resources, affiliate products, niche businesses and boxes. So basically, I'll be building a business that you guys can take and well, multiple businesses that you guys can take and go through and build out yourself. I have a nice blog, and then you can follow me on Facebook and other social medias. So this is the main page. So what is this? So who is this for? So this is going to be for beginners who need clear step-by-step guidance, entrepreneurs that are tired of piecing things together, creators, affiliates, and digital business owners, anyone who wants a system without hype. Okay, I'm not here to say you're going to make $1 million. I'm not going to say you're going to make $1. I'm here to help you with your business idea, give you access to tools that could cost you a lot of money each month, help you develop things and such, right? Um, and then builders who want a long-term scalable income stream. So when it comes to making money online, there's a lot of different things you want to take into consideration. And the main thing is that it's not going to happen overnight. There is no get rich quick. It takes time, it takes effort, and you need to understand some basics and just get some help. And that's what I'm here for. So, what you're going to get when you become a member, we have online courses. Okay. So we're going to get started from zero. Okay. We have niche selections and variations. We're going to have context creation, affiliate marketing, all these different skills that you're going to need. So if you are someone that wants to learn, then this is going to be the site you want to go to. If you're somebody that just wants it done for you, it's not going to happen in the way you want. I can help you develop what you want to build, but you do have to put the effort in. So the more effort you put in, the more brainstorming and ideas that you play with, the more likelihood that you're going to have success. So that's where the niche business is in a box. So a lot of keyword tools out there are expensive. SEMrush, Ahref, other ones cost a couple $100 a month. I have access to those tools, so I'm going to be going and doing research. I already have a bunch of research done already. So you'll have these keywords, you'll have ideas of what to develop, you'll have some skeleton product that you can go in and tweak and basically start building something from a framework that will be your own, but still have a lot of the hard work done for you. Okay, we're also building a bunch of tools. So with vibe coding and AI and all that, I'm going in and taking a lot of the tools that could cost you thousands of dollars and making my own versions of them And from there, you'll be able to access them and play with them, use them for your membership. Okay. Currently, I have an Amazon product engine, which basically you can go in and search Amazon for different products, create your affiliate pages, things like that. I have a Pinterest pin generator, and then I have a workbook designer. I have a couple other ones I'll show you when we get in. I turned some of the tools off because I'm still building them. They're going to be expanded on, but we're going to have lots of different tools. And as we develop the academy, and we get feedback, you'll be able to tell me what type of tools you want to have or what you need, and we'll try to build them for you. All right, from there, we have a searchable knowledge base. So I'm going to give you a bunch of knowledge, information. I'm going to have a resource library. They'll have books and other things that you can use to learn. And basically from there, we can go from here to the truth about building an online business. Okay, you need clarity to cut out the chaos, tool to build your business. Okay, stop renting attention, no gurus, no get rich quick. Okay, it's not going to be a get rich quick. It's not going to be something where you're going to hit a button and make $1 million. It's going to take effort. If you're not willing to put the effort in, I can't help you any more than that. Um, and so forth. So here we have, what makes this different. Okay, we're affordable, we're transparent. We have monthly and yearly access, so you can get in and not have to worry about it. It's going to be owned asset system that we control, so it's not going to be something that is run by a company that is going to come here and raise their prices and whatever every month. It's going to be me running this on my web server. Um, and so forth. So basically what I'm doing right now, I do have a free tier, but I'm going to be discontinuing this. It's going to be basically you'll be able to get in and create an account and see what's in the academy. Um, Currently, I have you can get a membership for $80 a month, which you bill annually, or if you want, you can do monthly for 97. I'm going to be offering in May and April a lifetime deal. Gonna be my birthday in April, so I'm gonna offer a lifetime deal. So if you come here and you see this and see a lifetime offer on the bottom, you can get the lifetime deal. It's gonna be about $2,000. Um, and that's gonna give you access to everything for life compared to paying monthly or yearly. And then I have some frequently asked questions down here, and then you can go ahead and start building in the academy. So full transparency again, I'm still building this. It's not 100% done, but if you're interested in becoming a member of the Academy, you can come here and you can join. And then when everything's live and going good in March, we're going to start doing everything. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to log into my account, and this is going to be the dashboard that you see. Okay. So right now I have two active courses. I have the AI Mastery Playbook. This is going to be the main course you want to go through to learn about AI and how it works in your business and how you can do different things. Um, I built this for another platform that I don't know what happened to them. They went out of business or whatever. Their website's no longer up. So I decided I'm going to put it into here. You get access to this for free. If you're a paid member or not a paid member, you still get access to this course for free. Then I have the Passive Paydays Profit, and this is going to be our weekly accountability type program where I'm going to give you guys a challenge. You guys can go out there and do the challenge, things like that. Um, Again, this is going to be a free course. So no matter what you do, if you join for free or if you join to be a paid, you'll get access to these two courses. I'm gonna also have other courses that I'm developing, so this is going to get built out. But let's go over here and take a look at the tool. So the first tool that we have is an accounting tool. So if you have QuickBooks or you know about QuickBooks or using QuickBooks, this is going to be a version of QuickBooks that is very basic. I'm going to expand on it, give more tools, but you come here and you can create a business, whatever your business is. You can have multiple businesses. You can switch between businesses, and you can kind of keep track of your income and your sales and whatever else that you do. You have your create an invoice. You can create an expense. You have your invoices here. Click on create invoice, and you can create a new invoice. Put all your information here, your client, your dates, all that. You can save as a draft. You can save the invoice, or you can cancel. Okay, you can go back here. And then we have expenses. You can do expenses. Again, add your expense. You have your clients, so you can come here and add new clients that you may have, their information. Keep track of those. We have your reports, so you can see what your income and expenses and all that stuff is. Have products. You can come here and add all your products to the um your account so you can be able to deal with those. We have accounts, different accounts that you can add, your banking account, PayPal. We don't collect all the information, but you can just keep your track of what accounts have what money and all that stuff in it. Vendors, again, is just like clients. You can have all your different vendors, so you can contact your vendors and the products and all that. Then I have your login. So if you have a lot of different websites, you can go here and add your login information, username, email, URL, things like that. Again, this is all encrypted, so we won't have access to your login information. It would all be encrypted for you in your account. And then you have journal entries here. You can keep track of little journal entries. And from here, we got your general ledger with all your information. So this is going to be your QuickBooks replacement. Um, it's all included with your membership. The admin, this is going to be just for me. I have this blocked off where I can go in and make changes and update the software. The affiliate CRM. So this is going to be where I'm going to have a lot of affiliate programs and products that you can join and make money with. So you can search here and find a different program that's going to be in our database. I don't have anything listed yet. I'm still building it out. But you can also go ahead and add your own custom program. So if you have a program that you use, you can add it here, the website, commission rate, all the basic information. Okay. Again, this will be private to you for your affiliates when you go to custom, but everything in the global database, everyone should be able to access. But again, your own account. Then for the courses, I'm going to have here, I have all my courses. You can browse different courses that I have available, and then you can simply click on them and join the course. We have a calendar. So this is going to be a booking calendar. So I'm still working out a couple things on this, but you have an overview where you have your bookings, and you can click on the bookings here and see what's going on, who you're supposed to be going to. You can cancel the booking, you can save your booking, cancel whatever, right? So it's just a booking calendar. So if you have people that are your clients, or you want people to book for you, book a consulting call, or you want to book a class, or whatever you want to do, you can do that. You can go ahead here and add a new event. So these are the different services that you'll offer. Add a new service, add a new whatever. Then you can come here and see all of your bookings. From there, you can go ahead and set your availability, your days that you're available, the time that you're available, things like that. And then we have the content calendar. So the content calendar is going to be where you go in and keep track of all the content that you want to create. So if you want to create a Pinterest pin, or if you want to create a blog post or whatever, you can come here and you can set what you want to create, right? So if you want to create a specific piece of content, then you create a campaign, you can create an offer, um, create your content, things like that. This is just keeps track of what you want to create, what day you want to create it, what day you want to post it, things like that. And then we have our settings here where you can go ahead and just set up all your general settings, your time zones, booking preferences like that. Again, there's a couple of things I need to finish up with this, but this is going to be your entire calendar system where you can basically keep track of what's going on. Then we have our community. So if this is going to be like our Facebook type of situation where you come here, you can change your header, you can change your icon, your bio. Then you have here, you can write on your wall, tell people what's going on. You can upload a photo, a video, your feelings. You can see the popular posts. Okay. You see all of your friends. You can add friends to your thing. You can find different members. Okay. Um, event. I'm gonna have upcoming events for like live streaming and different things like that. So I'll have different events here, and you can also create your own events. So if you have an event that you want to go to or whatever, you'll have that available. Groups. I'm gonna have different groups available. You'll be able to have like your own private group of different people that you work with or in your course or whatever. Then we have our saved. So anything that you saved, anything that you like, posts from other people, all that stuff will be here. Your photos will show here. Anything about your about there as well. So the simple Facebook type situation in the community. From there, I'm going to have my library. So this is where we're going to have a lot of different products or information. So I have here, right here, I have marketing. So this is marketing, all of my information about marketing 101. And then here will be, learn about marketing and all your different information. So I'm going to build this out. It'll be step by step of different things. So a mini course, but more of a book type situation. Okay. Um, and then you can see all the different books and things that we're going to create. We have member search, so you can come here and search for different members. Again, these are all the test users and things that I've created just to test the system. You can add friends, you can message them directly, all that fun stuff. Then we have a messaging system. So this is really going to be cool. So if you know about Slack, this is basically a Slack clone. Um, so I'm going to have different rooms, different things like that. So you'll have your saved items. You can have we'll have different channels for different courses, whatever. And then we have our direct messaging. So if you want to direct message someone, talk to them about a specific thing, you can. Um, basically click on the person to, talk, and you can sit here and message them. You can also add it to the bookmark if you like it. You can pin to the channel. You can edit the message or delete the message if you are the one that created the message. To start a conversation, you basically go ahead and click on the plus, and then you can find all the members that are in the Slack, and then you can go ahead and just click on them and send the message to them, right? So go, and then you go here and do your message. So pretty simple, but powerful Slack message. And then you'll see up here in the corner, you'll have the little bell icon, and the bell icon will basically tell you if you have a message or whatever, you can see it. Niche businesses in a box. I'm developing these out. But here you'll come here and you'll click on the niche business, and you'll have all the resources. You'll have all of the keywords and links and all that stuff per niche. And then you can just go in there and use that information to build out your business. Again, here we have resources. Again, these will be different resources that I find useful, that the community might find useful, that you can go through. We have a support ticket system. So right here, you can send a support ticket to me, and I'll get back to you through the ticket. You'll be again notified up here in the corner that you have a new ticket, or over here in the corner that you have a new ticket. And then you can simply just go ahead and view the ticket, and you can continue your conversation back and forth, and we'll make sure that everything is taken care of. Then we have our tools and apps. So these are different tools and apps that we are working on. So currently right now I have a workbook designer. So this is pretty cool. Um, Basically, what you can do here is you can create your own worksheets or workbooks. So I have here, you can um, go into activities. You can do a word search puzzle. I have that set up. You can do crossword puzzles. You have fill in the blanks, word scramble, missing letter, alphabet tracing, secret code, a bunch of different things. I'm still adding to these. Um, but basically you'll be able to come here and just enter in your information and then it will create the puzzle here. You can clear the page, you can download the page, um, and you can start using this to create products. Over here we have all your pages. You have text, you have your line, you have boxes, circles, triangle. We have the infographics that I'm building out, patterns. You can upload your images, um, uploads, all that stuff. So I'm still building this out again. This is going to be constantly adding new features to it, but it's going to be basically your workbook designer. From here, I have my wholesale directory. So here is where you'll be able to find wholesalers. So if you want to find someone that sells a specific product or looking for wholesalers, going to have all their information here. Again, building this out, it's going to be a constant thing, adding new wholesalers to the list that are vetted and that are going to be people that you can rely on and basically sell their products. Okay, and we go back again. And then we have a quick design editor. This is just a simple image editor. If you want, you can go here and add text, boxes, circles, images, and stuff. Um, it's like the workbook designer, but simplified. So if you want to go just create something simple, you can. And from there, we have other tools that I'm going to be adding, which I have them built, but I need to finish them out, but they'll all be listed here. And then I have a cool little whiteboard application. So if you want a little whiteboard tool, you can come here and you can, create your whiteboard animations. You can do a presentation like this where you talk about something and start designing it and whatever. So if you want a simple whiteboard tool that you can use to teach people how to do things, just record your screen, all that fun stuff. And that is pretty much the basics of the academy. Again, I'm still building this out. This is just the software. We're going to have live classes. We're going to have a lot of interactivity. We're going to have build a really cool community where I help you build your business. Okay. It's not going to be a fly by night thing. Um, it is going to be something that is going to be useful. You'll have live chats with me. I have live in the messaging thing, the message I have down here, I have a huddle. So I can come here and do huddle where I can connect to um, all my stuff here. I can set my camera up and we can do a live chat through the system, or we can get onto a Zoom, all that fun stuff. So um, a lot of transparency, a lot of help, a lot of interactivity. We're going to build a community of like-minded people. So if you are into this and you want um, to really start your business and really need help with your business, if you want to build out a lot of different things but don't want to spend a lot of money on tools, again, I'm going to have a lifetime offer deal shortly. I need to create the pages and all that stuff for it, which is going to go till the end of April. If you're interested, just go ahead and email me or message me through YouTube or whatever. And I hope this helps you guys start making money, right? So if we work together and we can build something together, then we are going to be stronger. So I want to just make this quick video for you guys. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, message me. Again, all the links are available. It's still in development, always going to be in development, but we're going to be launching um, March 1st, and I hope you guys take advantage of it. So I'll see you guys on the inside.